In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update GOG games quickly and easily using GOG Galaxy. If you've got games installed through GOG and you want to make sure they're patched up to the latest version, this is the fastest way to do it. Most of the time, GOG Galaxy will handle updates automatically, but I'll still show you exactly where to check and what to click if an update is available. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer and wait for it to load fully. Once you're inside the app, look for the installed section. This is where all of your games that are currently on your device will appear, so it's the best place to manage updates. Next, find the game you want to update and select it. You can either click on the game tile or open the game page, depending on how your library is set up. After that, look for any update notification or update button on the game page. If GOG Galaxy has detected a newer version, you'll see an update option right away. At that point, simply click Update and let the launcher do the rest. The game will download the latest files and install the update for you automatically. In many cases, you won't even need to do anything manually because GOG games often update on their own in the background when Galaxy is running. So if you don't see an update button, that usually means your game is already up to date. It's a good idea to keep GOG Galaxy open from time to time so it can check for any available patches and install them when needed, and that's really all there is to it. Open GOG Galaxy, go to Installed, select your game, and click Update if it appears. Super simple. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.